Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to ban players on your Minecraft server. Firstly, I'll be showing you how to do this on a Java server. All you have to do is head to Server.pro and into your service. Then when you're there, head to the ban list tab on the left. From here on, it's pretty simple. You can either add a normal player ban by entering their name, or you can add an IP ban by entering their address. There is also optional ban reasons as well that you can add. Player bans simply ban the player itself. However, if you're dealing with hackers, we recommend IP banning, so they're never able to log on again even if they create new accounts. Once you're done, you just have to press add and shortly you'll see their name under the banned names list. For confirmation, you can head to the dashboard and you'll see a message there confirming the player has been banned. Another way of banning is also by just entering the command /ban and then their player name. It's super simple and effective, and all you have to do is enter. You'll also see confirmation in the console there. To unban a player, you just have to do /pardon and then the player username. Banning players on a Bedrock server is a little different since Bedrock doesn't have a ban feature. However, there is a workaround. We can use the whitelist/allow list to do this. Once you're in your server, you can head to files and then server.properties. What you're going to do is locate the allow list and set that value to true. This means that anyone that is allowed to join the server should be added to the allow list. Otherwise, literally anyone else that attempts to join will not get permission. Save that file and then you can head to the dashboard. What you have to do here is ensure you add all players that are going to be playing on the server onto the list. You can do this by entering allow list add and then their username. Any players not added will have the same effects as being banned, as they won't be able to join. Once you're done making all the changes, you should restart the server for them to take effect. And ta-da! That's all you have to do to make sure unauthorized players aren't allowed onto your servers. Thank you so much for watching. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to contact our support. Bye guys!